everybody, this is Unnati, the Bloom Ambassador. I am a curious being and therefore I love to read and discuss on different topics. Today, I am going to share my views with all of you on the topic called Should we make recycling compulsory? 100% yes, we should make recycling compulsory. Now, you all must have a question in your mind that why should we make it compulsory? So, let me tell you, recycling is very easy to carry out and believe me, it can really bring a change. Besides this, recycling has a lot of other benefits too. And today, I am going to share some of those benefits of recycling with all of you so that you can understand the importance of recycling old and waste materials. The first benefit of recycling is recycling conserves resources. When we recycle, old or waste materials are converted into new materials, reducing the need to hunt for natural resources. And in this way, we can save the natural habitat for the future or the upcoming generation. Now, the second benefit of recycling is recycling saves energy. When we manufacture new materials, then they consume lots and lots of energy. But when we recycle old and waste materials, then they consume a rather less amount of energy. And in this way, energy is saved. The third and the most important benefit of recycling is recycling saves the environment. Recycling actually reduces the need for extraction and refining of new products, and in this way no pollution is created, so the environment is saved. So don't you want to save your money and environment? If you, then what to wait for? Go and recycle old and waste materials, save your money and save the environment. Thank you so much for hearing me out, and if you are also interested in sharing your opinion with us, so go ahead and participate in the Great India Talent Hunt 4.0 Bloom Talks and share your opinion with us without any hesitation. Thank you so much.